Welcome to 117 Valley View Lane in Swansea. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath home. Sits on about 3.5 plus acres of wooded land in Swansea, which is southeast of Columbia, about 30 minutes. Standing outside the property, this is technically sort of the side or back of the property, but it's a good vantage point to kind of show you, to orient you in the space. So this is of course the house there. I'm not sure if you can see, but kind of over that side there's a large detached garage and workshop storage shed, and then back this way you have where you actually come off of the roads. There's a paved driveway, and then once you get down a little bit off of Valley View Lane, there is just the rest of it is either gravel or dirt. But you have one way in this way. It does make a U back out to that paved road as well, and then we'll just kind of briefly walk this way to show you what's over here as well. So bear with us on the light here. So the front entrance is actually on that side. You'll be able to see it in the photos. There's sort of a screened porch off the front of it. And then of course you have gravel, sort of a circle going around this way. And you can see where it branches off and comes off the other side of the drive. And then on this side you have that large detached garage, workshop, storage building. Just sort of an open shell inside, and there's some built-in workspace or kind of a workshop towards the back. And then the rest of it is some fencing on that side, chain link. The rest of it is just sort of wooded land. And again, it's 3.5 plus acres. So we'll approach from this side, and this is technically the back deck. So it's technically your backyard space. But you can see just sort of open. The roadway is actually sort of towards there. But this way enters into the living room. So you have sort of a mix of different type of hardwoods inside. There's some laminate as you approach here, and some real hardwood, also some tile in the property as well. So again, a unique property. You enter into the main living space here. You can see the ceiling has been raised or sort of lofted, and you have nice large wood beams and also wood paneling on that ceiling. You have a fireplace in the living room here with a nice large brick hearth and mantle above. The the fireplace itself is gas logs, I do believe, but you can see again the open rafter design and everything there. To the living room, and then it's all open to a dining area on this side. The bedrooms are back that way, and then also the kitchen is open here. So the kitchen, you have sort of a terracotta style flooring, tile flooring in here, blue tile countertops, and included appliances. You have an oven, sort of a wall style oven in the counter, as well as an electric range. You have a vent hood above. There is a stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator, a dishwasher, and over here a countertop microwave. And then you have some pendant lighting, updated sink fixture there, or faucet, out to this sort of bar area, pretty shallow bar area in the dining area on this side. And then you have French doors going to the hallway space. You have a utility closet here on your left side, and a nice window here in the hall connecting you to the other side. So again, that, and if we're on this side, let's see if we can find that front door. All right, so this is sort of a hall that the bedrooms are off of, but also where the front door is located. So the home looks like it has had some kind of additions and things over time. You do have a closet here as well, a linen or storage closet. But we'll open this door just to show you this space, because you do have the screened porch out there. So you can see, again, screen porch off the front, or what may also seem like the back of the home. But nice space out there. And then back inside you have your 2 bedrooms. So on this side is one of 2. One of them has a bathroom attached, but it's not really certain which one is the master. You do have lighter colored hardwood flooring. Looks like real hardwoods in here. So again, a nice size room. Closet is in the corner there. And then you can see access to the bathroom, which also connects back out to the hallway. So not a true master technically, but does have an attached bath. And then this space off of the master is off of this room is the laundry area. So full-size washer, dryer carnations in here. And then it extends out to the other end and has another exit out to the front of the property, which is technically the front of the property, but just another private entrance and exit as well. And then of course you connect to the bathroom here. Bathroom has, again, some laminate hardwood. You have a single vanity, and then on this wall a shower and tub. And then your commode's kind of tucked back into an alcove back here. And then you're right back out in the hallway. So you have what looks like some lighter plank pine flooring out here in this sort of large open hall space. And then a full bathroom, tile flooring. You have a single pedestal sink in there, some cabinet storage, and a standing shower. You also do have, looks like those corner molded in benches where you can sit down in there also. And then last but not least, that lighter color hardwood floor from the other bedroom is in what is the larger of the 2 rooms. So this one looks like it would be the master, just the way it's set up in terms of the larger size and also the closet space, which you'll see in just a second. So as you can see, really large closet on this side. Nice walk-in, almost like a dressing room style, but you have some built-ins here and the hanging space as well. And then right back out into the room and the hall. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, a unique property out in Swansea, south of Columbia, 117 Valley View Lane. You can find out more information on this home online at turnerproperties.com.